front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Chrome. Now you need to access your chosen app in the background. In order to do that with 3 keys navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen. Then just click on any other one that's supported. In my case, Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!